With my teacher, Manuela Beltran University. Subject Intermediate English. Name of the activity My Last Vacation. Teacher name Garzón Ángela. Student name Ramírez Carlos Julio. Bogotá, September 2018. My last vacation. My last trip was to San Andres. I went with my mom. We wanted now different place. We stayed, in my opinion, in one of the best hotels in the South Caribbean playa. We found tourist guides. Fortunately, we found very good people who took us to play fantastic Escayo de Aquarium, where we could recognize how great in the found in the place. It looks like an impeccable fish tank. We have seen now the Hoyo Soplador, the place where a natural pantheon takes place make similarly is the fountain. We have now Johnny Cay Island, place where can see the different colors that the sea have. Nevertheless, everything is always perfect. We have been just plain people with the little sense in the care toward the nature throwing garbage to the sea hand, one that another wanting to have an advantage, the Tony chirping more of the do thing. Island of the Johnny Cay. San Andres Aquarium. Rondon Isleño. Fishboard. The activities, el jet boat, cruising with the bait, write 5 sentences using simple past to place the pictures in the geographic organization. I had a special meal with my mom. We ate of the typical dish like roasted fish. We learned how to swim underwater. During the trip, we made an ecological walk. We went to visit Wall Island by boat. You will visit the place because I have a lot of place to know. If you want to relax, I think San Andres is the best place that you can choose. People will visit San Andres because in the unique place where we can see the 7 colors of the sea. San Andres is one of the places that have extreme sport like flyboard. San Andres is one of the places in Colombia where we can find a lot of stores with the cheaper thing with boat takes. Thanks, teacher.